Step 1. Observation. The initial spark.
Yeah! Wala. Brown out, chum. Brown out. Brown out. Te, nakita mong flashlight?
Hindi!
Yeah, hanapin ko na lang. Ito. Ay.
Hi everyone! Sa tingin nyo, bakit kaya hindi gumana ang flashlight na gagamitin niya?
How does a flashlight actually produce light? I know. It sounds super basic, right? But hey, that is exactly the point.
Moving right along to step 2, hypothesis. Formulating the big question.
Now, a hypothesis, as defined here, is just an educated guess that you formulate before conducting an experiment. In the context of our flashlight explainer, you tell your audience that your specific educated guess is this.
Iniisip niya na kaya umiilaw ang flashlight ay dahil sa baterya na nagbibigay kuryente sa bumbilya. Kung ang flashlight nangangailangan ng baterya para gumana, iilaw lamang ito kapag may baterya sa loob, dahil ang baterya ang nagbibigay ng kuryente o enerhiya sa bumbilya.
Step 3. The experiment. Time to test that guess.
Picture holding out your hands to physically demonstrate this part, kind of like you're actually holding an invisible flashlight and showing the steps to your audience.
So now, let's do the experimental, which is binuksan ko ang flashlight ng walang baterya. So, check natin siya kung gagana nga ba. At sa nakikita mo, ito ay hindi gumana. After doing the first experimental, let's go to the second experimental, which is binuksan ko ang flashlight na may battery na ito sa loob. Ngayon, susubukan natin kung gagana nga ba ito. Okay, as you can see, yan. As you can see, bumukas at umilaw ang flashlight nito.
Next up is step 4. Analysis. Looking closely at what just happened.
So, ngayon naman ay susuriin natin ang resulta ng ating eksperimento o ng ating analysis. Una, buksan natin ang flashlight ng walang baterya. At ang resulta nito ay hindi gumagana. Pangalawa, buksan natin ang flashlight na may baterya sa loob. At makikita natin na gumagana ito at umiilaw. So, malinaw na ang flashlight ay gumagana lamang kapag may baterya sa loob at kapag inalis ang baterya ay napuputol ang daloy ng kuryente kaya hindi ito gumagana or umiilaw ang bumbilya.
And finally, step 5, the conclusion. Hypothesis correct.
The experiment showed that the flashlight only worked when the batteries were inside it. That's why the hypothesis was accepted, because the experimental results supported it. The batteries produce electrical energy that allows the bulb to produce light.
And that is the science behind the flashlight. Thank you very much.